How to list in more places on Facebook Marketplace. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can list in more places on Facebook Marketplace. The first thing to do is to note that for you to list in more places in Facebook Marketplace, you have to have created a product. All right, it is a product that you've created that you'd list in several places. The next thing to do is to log into your Facebook account and then navigate through to your Facebook Marketplace. Once you're on your Facebook Marketplace, you will be brought to your home page, as you can see here. Now, once you are on this home page, by the right side of the screen, you'll see some options, right? Such as browse all, notifications, inbox, buying, and selling. Select selling because that is where you find your listings. Your listing is located by the left side of the screen as well. And then once you're on your listings page, you'll see the list of your items that you've listed already. Okay, currently I have no items on Marketplace. That is why this place is empty. But for you, you will see your items here. The next thing for you to do is to select the item. All right. Once you've selected the item that you want to list, click on the three dots by the right side of the item. And there will be three dots by the right side. Just click on it. Once you click on it, a drop down menu will appear, and then you see a list of options such as edit listing, etc. Go ahead and select list in more places. Okay, list in more places. Once you click on it, you will see a list of suggested groups with similar products. Then select the number of groups where you want the product to be listed. So this is how you can list in more places on Facebook Marketplace. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.